Hi viewers, welcome to our channel RJ's Info. This video is about how to get help from ChatGPT for preparation of project report. The project report may be for medical or software or engineering or school or college. First we have to check the structure of project report. So let's check structure of project report for submitting in university. Okay, just enter. First, it will list out all the structure and what are the requirements. Based on our requirement, we have to compare with the ChatGPT whether the requirement is are matching with our structure and everything. If not matching, then we have to add it. Everything we cannot get it from ChatGPT because ChatGPT is a trial version. So we have to do some analysis. Based on that, we have to work out. So first thing is title page. This is perfect. Your name, university name, department, everything should be there. Then abstract, acknowledgements, table of contents, list of figures, tables, abbreviations, methodology, results, and discussion, conclusion, recommendation, references. We want to prepare a report on dengue fever in Tamil Nadu. So first we need to give title. Suggest best title for dengue fever in Tamil Nadu. We want to make it in a English only. So you take this one. Dengue fever in Tamil Nadu, epidemiology, outbreaks and strategies. Please prepare project report based on dengue fever in Tamil Nadu and strategy everything with proper settings and conform to university acceptance. Like that we can mention. Okay, not exceeding 50 pages. Project should cover all information about introduction, methodology and reference, etc. Still it is not given entire information, so we have to go with a one by one. For example, abstract. Title page should be a this one. So open a Word, open new document. So title page should be dengue fever. Just copy, paste. When you are copying from ChatGPT directly, you should not do that. You have to do some changes in the ChatGPT wordings. Then only you have to paste in a document. So we can use other tool also for modifying some words. Provide elaborate information about abstract. Not exceed 2 pages. So this is the elaborate abstract. Directly we cannot copy paste in a Word. or project report. Just copy the content tool. I am going to use board. We have to modify the words. Just mention that please rewrite rewrite the paragraph. Just paste it, entire thing, enter. Simple one. Just copy and paste in a report. Still, if you want some changes in a paragraph, you can modify it. Okay. So directly we cannot copy paste in a project report. We have to do some analysis based on that whether it is a proper or not. Then only we have to paste it. This acknowledgement should be done. We have to give credit to person and institutions and organizations. Table of contents also, whatever subjects or whatever paragraph, whatever titles we have given, based on that we have to give. Figures and tables is very important for submitting project report. Without that, it will not be a perfect one. The same introduction, whatever we have given in the first page, same it should be included. We can add some points here. Literature review, we can get it elaborate with the details on, just give, so that once it is done, we can modify words. So this is done. The heading will be the same. So just copy, click on board, rewrite the paragraph with a simple language. Just paste only content. Take it from this point. Then you just paste in a report. Risk factors, vectors, and transmission. Just give heading. We have to fill with whatever requirements. Based on requirements, we have to fill the information. Then only the project report will be perfect. So somehow I have just disclosed some ideas about how to get information, how to get help from ChatGPT, and what should be avoided. If you like this video, please share it. Please do subscribe for upcoming videos. Thank you.